Flowing Water Animation Tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your one and only P-Titus. Today I will be teaching you one of the highly demanded tutorials, how to animate flowing water, a stream, or a river on an Android smartphone using an app called Vector Motion. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and check out the Vector Motion tutorials in my playlist. Let's get into the business of the day. Follow my steps. 1. Change the background color to gradient white and sky blue. 2. Add a rectangular layer and increase the width like this. 3. Change the color to light blue and convert the layer to a path. 4. Start adding node handles to the rectangular layer. 4. Duplicate the rectangle layer and change the color of the duplicate to white. 5. Adjust the position like this and reduce the opacity. 6. Adjust the nodes of the layer like this to give it a sine wave pattern. 7. Add a masking layer. 8. Click the animation panel, set the time unit to seconds, turn on auto animate, and set the video length to 8.2 seconds. On the timeline at 0 seconds, adjust the position of the rectangle layer a little to mark the starting point of the animation for this layer. 10. Move your cursor to 8 seconds on the timeline and move the rectangle layer to the x-axis or left side like this. 11. Click on the second layer, the light blue layer, and adjust the nodes like this at 0 seconds to mark the starting point on the timeline. 12. Adjust the nodes at every +1 second on the timeline, just like this. Press play to preview our progress so far. Repeat the procedure on the second layer. Click play to preview. Turn off auto animate and add a blur effect on the layer. Pick your pen tool and draw a canoe. Place the canoe layer between previous layers. Give the canoe an outline and dark color. Follow these steps to bend the base of the canoe with water. Adjust the position of the canoe to the right side. 17. Turn on auto animate and move the cursor to 0 seconds on the timeline. Go to geometry, copy the keyframe position of the canoe, and paste it to mark a starting point. Then move the cursor to 8 seconds. Under geometry, set the x-axis to 1497 px. Press play. 18. Pick your pen tool and draw a shape like this to form a cloud. Under Geometry Effects, add a Curve Edges effect. Set the size to 39%. Change the color to white. And add a blur effect. Change the color to gradient and adjust it like this. Reduce the opacity. Duplicate the cloud layer and adjust it. "19. Pick your pen tool and make a zigzag shape to form grass. Place the grass layer behind other layers and change the color to green. Duplicate the layer and place it behind other layers. Oh, before I forget, there is another perfect way of creating grass in vector motion. Add a rectangle layer. Adjust the width like this. Go to Geometry Effect and add a Displace effect. Set the deviation to 79px. And change the color to green. Create more grass layers and place them behind all the existing layers. "21. Click play to preview the animation. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.